Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the footage you want side by side, so import all clips to the media bin now. Then drag your main clip onto the timeline and make sure the project aspect ratio matches your target output. 16:9 is standard. Once done, enable Snap and Ripple Edit to keep clips aligned and zoom the timeline for fine control. This reduces misalignment later and makes positioning much faster when you begin arranging split-screen panels. Next, you build the actual split-screen layout by using Filmora's split-screen presets or by layering clips on multiple tracks and treating each as a picture-in-picture. Use the transform controls to change position X and Y and scale each clip so subjects sit properly within their panel. Make sure to snap to guides and, if necessary, add masks to hide overlapping edges. Once done, add thin borders or drop shadows to separate panels visually, and lock finished tracks to avoid accidental moves. To finish, render a preview so you can watch the split screen in real time and confirm sync and audio balance. Make color corrections so panels match, and trim or adjust clip speed for pacing. Once satisfied, export using the same aspect ratio and a high-quality codec. If things go wrong, like misalignment, turn off snap and nudge clips with the arrow keys or clear accidental keyframes. This fixes tiny offsets quickly. Finally, re-render to confirm the final output looks clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.